Hello, it's me, Punchy! Alright, Happy New Year! Happy 2025! Yay! Alright, so today, nagpa-print na naman ako. Ayan, alam na this is my 2025 vision board. Ayan. So yeah, ipapakita ko sa inyo ako mga na-print and let's start! Ayun, so yeah, let's begin. So before we start, papakita ko muna sa inyo aking main goal for 2025, which is this! Nagpa-print ako nito. Ayan, si Enchong D. So pangarap ko magkaroon ng magandang katawan. So ayan, pinrint ko na siya. At sana matupad for this year. Ayan, ayan. One, and we have another one. Ganun, ang sarap-sarap! Ang sarap-sarap. Ayan, dalawa. Ayan. So, di-display natin siya sa ating tiny house. Isa sa may CR, isa sa may sala. Ganyan. Ayan. So, pinaprint ko to sa Fujifilm. And then itong, tawag dito? Picture frame is from IKEA Fixbo. Fixbo yung kanyang tatak. Ayan. So, magpaprint na kayo sa Fujifilm. Support Fujifilm. Ganun. So, ito na yung ating mga pinaprint. Ayan. Yung iba ni-reprint ko na kasi nasira siya ng mga pusa ko. Ayan. So, bumili muna ako ng ganito. Label Master. Para yung mga natapos ko na, yung mga na-achieve ko na, nilalagyan ko ng sticker to mark as complete. Ganun. Ayan. And then, maprint rin ako ng picture namin na pa-square. Ang cute-cute ito. Ayan. Ayun o, pinagpaprint ako mga square na mga picture. Ayan. I-display ko rin siya. Pwede kang magpaprint sa Fujifilm, honestly. Suki na ako dun. At saka nakakaya, nagpapaprint ako ng ganito. Nagtawa yung mga yung mga staff kasi nagpapaprint ako ng mga bastas. Ganyan. Ayan. So, again, may tayong Label Master to label yung mga na-complete na. And ito na yung ating mga napa-print. So, 2025, please be good to every one of us. I'm wishing everyone good health, happiness, and lots of money. More money and more blessings for everyone. Ayan. So, ito na siya. So, dito sa kaliwete, ang ating mga na-complete na, and itong nasa may kanan yung mga aking pending na mga gusto mangyari. Okay. So, pakita ko muna sa inyo ating mga na-complete na, tapos mamaya, lalagyan ko siya ng label. So, number 1, YouTube Studio. Nakamtan ko na siya kasi yung ating kwarto dito sa Santorini is very aesthetic na. And gagawin ko rin YouTube Studio, magiging tiny house natin. So, YouTube Studio. And then, ito, bumili na ako nito. And nakakarton na siya, ready to go. IKEA Akja na lamp. And then, grabe, ang tagal ko itong minanifest, guys. Bear Brick 1000%. So, finally, nakamtan ko na rin siya. Completed. And then, grabe. God is so good! Permanent work from home. Na-achieve na rin natin siya, guys. And then, here, IKEA Vaxjo. Ayan, another pendant light na stainless steel yung kanyang peg. And, this one, IKEA Otaker. Ito yung ating kama. Ayan. Na-achieve na natin siya. And then, guys, Brutalist Tiny House. Nakamtan na rin natin siya for this year, 2025. Love. And then, this Panasonic window type aircon. Ayan, nandito na siya. Ready to install. And then, IKEA Omar. Ayan. Ito yung nilagay natin sa ating kusina. Nakamtan na rin natin siya. And this, tagal ko minanifest nito, guys. Nano leaf. Ayun, nakamtan na rin natin siya. Love, love, love. And then here, Kiat. Meron na ako dyan, pero di pa siya namumunga. So, hopefully this year, mamunga na sila. Kiat. And then here, IKEA Hovet. This is the best mirror that you can buy, honestly. Malaki siya and super aesthetic. And then next, Home Gym. Nakakamtan na rin natin siya. Kulang na rin ako ng rack. Kung may space doon, lalagyan talaga natin siya ng rack. Power rack. And then, oh my God! Nakamta ko na siya. Thank you so much, Ate Joy. So, binilan ako na Ate Joy sa itong CB2 floating shelves. Fresh from Dubai. Gana! Thank you so much. And then this, nakamta na natin dito sa Santorini. Brutalist Interior Design. So, meron na tayo yan. So, ito yung ating mga na-complete na nakalagay sa ating vision board. Ayan. This is completed. Tapos, ilagay natin ng ganito. So, lagyan ko lang siguro date. Kunyari, na-complete ko siya, let's say, January 2025. Release ako dito, January 2025. Tapos, ako lalagay dito. And then, ito na. Ito yung ating... dami, guys. Oh, dami nating pwedeng, dami nating mga i-achieve. Ang kapal. Kapal-loob. So, number 1. Manifesting this. First, 1 million pesos. Gusto ko maging milyonaryo. Gusto ko yumaman. Ayan. Ayan. Manifesting that. And I'm manifesting this as well. Hexagon garage light. Ilalagay natin sa may, sa may bedroom gym. Gusto niya ba? Ayan. Manifesting that. Oh my God. This is luho. AirPods Max. Manifesting this one. Luho but I love. And this one I super love. Manifesting this. Manifesting bathtub. Oh yun, I super love. And then here, another luho. Manifesting Beats Peel. Ayan. Lalagyan natin sa CR. Ayan. And then here, manifesting this. This is a need. Yamaha Fazio. Ayan. Motor na. Ang cute, oh. Love, love, love. And then manifesting. This is a need. Xiaomi massage gun. Ayan. This is a need, not a want. Kasi masakit likod ko. Ayan. And then manifesting this is needed. Wireless microphone. Ayan. Para sa pagbablog natin. Ayan. Then here, manifesting this. Sana makabili. West Elm ceramic planters. Ayan. Love. And then here, manifesting this. This is a need. This Joe laptop table. Lalagyan natin dun sa ating tiny house. Ayan. And then, manifesting this talaga. Manifesting this. Go to Japan and eat ramen. Tapos pupunta ko ng Pokemon Center. Ayun, manifest ko. Sana makapunta akong Japan. Magkano ba magagastos doon? Meron akong passport. Pera na lang ko lang. And then manifesting this, Tekken arcade game at home. Ayan. Kung may space. Ayan. Gusto ko may ganito kasi may ligaw akong maglaro ng Tekken. Super love. And then here, manifesting this. Siguro pag sumada ako sa YouTube, ito bibilin ko. This year, Smart Nora. IKEA Smart Nora. Lalagyan natin siya sa may sala. It's either ito lalagyan natin or yung hexagon lights. Ayan. And then here, manifesting this is Vart Biot. Ito yung yung salamin na concave. Maganda siya, honestly. Highly recommend. And then manifesting this. Suzuki Jimny. Oh my God, this is a want and a need at the same time. Oh my God, OMG. Manifesting these. And then here, this is needed sa ating kitchen. IKEA Sonar Stop. Ayan. This is need as well. Next, this is also a need. But hopefully, kasi mahal ang monthly niya eh. But, ayan, manifesting Starlink as well. Ayan. Manifesting this. And then, manifesting this and love, love, love this. Solar power kit. Power station. Ayan. O magkaroon tayo sa solar doon sa tiny house para makatipid tayo, di ba? Ayan. Want and need. Okay. Dami po. Tapos manifesting this. Ripped body. Oh my God. Manifesting this. Love, love, love. Manifesting that. Ito. And then, manifesting this. Guys, help me. Kaloka. Mag-subscribe kayo. Ayan. Matagal ko na ito manifest. Ayan. Silver play button. Ayan. And then, here, manifesting this. Ay, kaya radabule pag mamamalengke ako. This is a need. And then, manifesting this. IKEA Roninch. Para siyang Japanese saddle chair. Ayan. Ayan. And then, manifesting this. Super love. Ito. IKEA Power Cage. Manifesting this as well. Ayan. And then, this is a need. Kasi nag-vlog ako eh. SanDisk 1TB Portable SSD. Dragon Edition. Ayan. Kasi palagi ako naubusan ng memory. This is a want. I super want this one. IKEA Powang. This is a want and need. Promise. This is love, love, love. Love. And then, love. Massage chair. I will give space talaga for this one. Kung meron na akong funds to buy this, I will give space for this. God. Kapag mayaman ako, I will buy this, diba? Yung CR, iusog natin sa may likod. Kasi yung CR, dito natin lagay yung... Oh my God, super love. And then, this is a need. MacBook Air. This is also a need. Lisabo. IKEA Lisabo chair. Need. And then, this is a need JBL Party Box Encore. Ayan. Para pala video okay or something. Saya-sayo. Okay. This is also a need. Pang vlog. iPad mini. Saya. Ang sayo. And then, need. iMac. Ayan. This is a need. And then, this is also a need sa may extension, sa may garden natin. IKEA Himmel Cell. Para siyang tent. Ay! This one, I also have it na pala. We have this one na, IKEA Haveroom. Ayan. Meron na tayo. Lagyan na natin dito sa completed. Ito yung ating dining table. And then, oh my God. May na-manifest po to. Green stock vertical platter. Ayan. Kahit isa or dalawa lang, please, color block. Oh my God, sino sa taga-US pabili? Either si Ella or si Claire, pabili naman. And then, this is, matagal ko na ito may na-manifest. GoPro Creator Edition. This is a need. Konti na lang. Oh my God, this is a need. Pakita ko sa'yo. A glass block wall. Ayan, So, glass siya. Tapos, graba. Ito yung gagawin natin sa harap ng bahay. Lakas makasosyal nito, doy. Need. Manifesting that. Oh my God, this is need. Funko Pop Pokemon Moments Deluxe. This is a need. I love. And then, this is also a need. IKEA Flita. And, ayun, stainless steel siya na, na, tawag dito? Cart. As pwede maglagay ng gamit case, pwede ako dito magluto sa taas. Kasi stainless steel siya is easy to wipe. Gana. This is also a need IKEA Feho. Lagyan ko ng plant. Okay? And then, oh my God. This is a need. Diamond earrings. Alright. And then, manifesting this. College degree. Manifesting this. Gusto ko interior design or anything similar to it. Or halaman or interior design, architecture, gano'n. Something like that. Or video editing, something like that. This is also a need. IKEA Bro. Ayan. And then here. Ito yung nalagyan natin sa ating likod. Breeze block wall. Ito yung gagawin nating bakod. Ayan lang! So, ito na sila guys. Ayan ang kapal. Ang ating tutuparin. And so far, since 2020, yata ako nang-start mag-vision board. Ito na yung ating nakamtan. Ang dami ha, in fairness. Madami tayong nakamtan. Ayan. And then, we're gonna mark them as complete. Ayan. So, yan. Yan lang ating vision board for 2025. Ayun, so tapos na natin gawin at ipakita sa inyo ang aking mga print na vision board for 2025. So ito yung ating mga natupad na, ito yung ating mga pending so far. Ayan o, medyo marami na rin ako natupad. So yan, thank you so much guys for watching. Again, pwede kayo mag-print sa Fujifilm. Mura lang naman to eh. Yung isang ganito is 9 pesos. So, 450 isa. Diba? Pa-print na kayo guys. So yan. Thank you so much guys for watching my vlog. And again, I am manifesting na yung ating mga pangarap sa buhay ay makamtan. I am manifesting na good health sa ating lahat. I am manifesting na happy tayo. We are content. We have peace of mind. Makakatulog tayo na mahimbing sa gabi. I am also manifesting lots of blessings. Lots of money, maging milyonaryo na tayong lahat. Thank you so much guys for watching my vlog and I love you so much. Bye-bye! Ito na sila! Mwah!